Okay, we're on 7-8 home links. And today we're going to sort fractions and see if they're less than 1 or if they're greater than 1. So number 1 says look at the fractions below and sort them into two groups. Fractions less than 1 and fractions greater than 1. Use the number lines on the following page to help you. Okay, so we're going to place half, 2/3, 6/4, 3/2, 7/8, 5/3, 6/8, and 7/6 in either the less than or the greater than. Remember, our less than is like the caret this way, and our greater than is open wide, like eating the left side like an alligator. Okay, you're going to want to look in your student reference book, page 145, and that's going to bring you to your number line like this. Because remember, here's a whole, 1/1. If I have one part out of 1, that's a whole. If I have two parts out of 2, that's a whole. This is our whole line. So we're going to see if our fractions fall on the left side, if they're less than 1, or if they fall on the right side and they're greater than 1. So you're going to use page 145 to help you. And let's take a look. It says 1/2. Is it less than 1 or greater than 1? Well, where's 1/2? Oh, I see 1/2 right here, and it's on the left side of 1. It's going closer to 0, so it is less than. So I'd put 1/2 on this side. Let's look at I did the very first one with you. Let's look at the very next, or very last one with you. 7/6. So that can be less than 1 or greater than 1. Well, I'm going to look at my number line, 7/6. Where is 7/6? Look at this. I see 7/6, and you know what? I know a whole is 6/6. So now if I add one more 6, that is definitely larger than 1 whole because it's on the right side. It's getting bigger. 7/6. Awesome. So I would cross off 1/2, put half here. I would cross off 7/6, and I would put 7/6 in the greater than 1. Keep going with the rest of them and use that number line to place them into two groups. And then number 2 says look for a pattern in the fractions you sorted. Describe a pattern that can help you decide whether a fraction is less than 1 or greater than 1. So when you split them, in your own words, is there a pattern that you see? Okay, give that a try.